With morning viewers, if you join us this morning here na Evbareke, the popular Evbareke market, spare parts market for Edo. It's one of the biggest markets so far. This market and Welu Road too. It's one of the biggest market in this part of the world. This are the road where they lead to the. These are the back of the market. Iwodaro Street. You take this Iwodaro from that end where they look so, can't turn like this. Down, you go take it to Evbareke Secondary School. From there, so there are other adjoining road we go take it to Tesame Road. Another adjoining roads inside. But on this road, this particular one lead to Tesame Road. They call it Alemekele Road, where they popularly call Evbareke Road. This road at a point, they tie and reach on certain time. At that time, it was done by Lucky John where they put a locking. 99 won't just enter democracy newly. From that time till now, nothing has happened. Why I they do this video now, right now, is to draw attention because the rainy season does the set, they come small. And once it rain, you go see them. You see and say, once it rain now, all this place now water bed now it be. A lot of erosion, vehicle not go ever pass on. Now because they draw attention of the state government at this point, say rainy season, do they approach, may they carry their satellite, may they do this road. And this road now gutter. When you do the gutter well, channel the water and do the road, and the road will last. But when you do the road, you not channel the water, it will be exercise in futility. So now make us just come this morning to come draw attention of those state government. You see, and at the market with this Evbareke paper market, a popular market, and the market they know all over the world. So that Evbareke road now we will enter. So we want to take her to the junction. So I will also try to interview some traders around here. You may see explain to us the advantage and disadvantage of this road to them during rainy season, the effect on their business, and during dry season, how it be to them too. But at the popular Evbareke road, now the way lead to Tesame Road, at this particular point. So just see, even at dry season, at this vehicle they dance, you will actually imagine how it go be when the rain go start proper. So we are using this medium to bring it to the attention of Edo State government to also know the need we go take do this road, because this road, this particular quarter, now area where they generate revenue for the state and for the local government. Without being told, the state and the local government, they generate better money from here. And the people from this area also need the best of service from the money where they generate from them. And I also ask questions, saying that the market union, then said, now if it's solar light, like the one you are seeing, where they see here, so around the market with that tower, where you see so for security, those are personal efforts made by the union where did this market. So I enter the market very soon. I ask some few persons. So about the state, the disadvantage of this road, actually. If they join us here in a popular Evbareke road, you get one name where they call her, the name they always forget. Alekeme. So those are the names where they. Well, the name now Alemele Street, but the name we can't catch and be Evbareke Papers road. So just the worker to draw attention of authority. Meanwhile, I will stop by. I ask some individuals questions. Well done, bro. Yeah, your name, sir?
My name is Chinasa.
Okay. So I beg, who did this street? Alemele Street, where they call Evbareke MotorSpare Road.
Yes,
Tell us more about the condition of the road, the effect wey they get on our business.
Well, as you can see the road now, you are witnessing the road by
Yes.
So this road now, where you see so, if rain fall,
Yes.
and so they swim the water, they go now when we say na dry season. We work around they manage and like this. So don't they suffer this road before? Since many people will come here, they will come promise us say they go grade the road, they go tie the road for us. After their talk now, we go see them again. So that's how we've been suffering this on this road for a long time. So I beg, if the people in charge, if you reach to them, more than tell them say this road we need to do so that if this market, if the road go round, it's still good, go better for everybody. Customer go they come because of this. Some customer no agree come market, go they bring back bad market for us. So I beg.
Wetin you want make government do for you on this road now?
I want make government come do this road tire for us, make it good, put street lights, make everywhere day bright for night.
Okay.
So now the waiting one make government do for us.
Your name again, sir?
My name is Chinasa.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Go one take on to where they tie the road reach. Okay. On this side of it, now the market be this. You take this stretch, it's just the market down. All the road way around the market, no one is motorable. From the front, from the side, no one. You can look at this gully here. All those holes. And once it really rain, just forget it. So we're appealing to the relevant authority. Make them quick come carry their searchlight, put for this road, so that they'll do the needful. Because what this road really need now, just good gutter before the time. When you are able to remove the water, you'll find out say all the job they almost all finished. Because now the water now be the main problem on the road. Just imagine since 99, they stopped at that place. Because they born since 99, it don't enter secondary school already. You look at this point, at the point where the time reached since 99, I be that. So one just walk carry them, make them see. At this point, at this particular point, now they do this road, please. From this point, this very point, down to the road, down, they're not doing. So we are appealing to the relevant authority. May they can't really fix this road so that the economic activities will get up very well and the people will get value for what they are spending. This is now North Street, front of the Welu Steppers Market. The road said the bad well. And this place, will they make money, millions every day. And this road, they need to fix it. You see nature of road. If they join me now, Edo Evbareke Market. Now Edo under Edo local government is off Tesami Road. You go access and to Tesami Road. Now the road where they Tesami Road just now. Now we show now. One of the biggest in this country. In this country, the very biggest spare parts in this country now be this. And no road to access it on all sides. And we not too tell well. So they appeal to Edo State government that all the four corners of the market, all the road way around that, none is motorable. You can see the market from this angle. You can see. And we are generating much IGRO enough from this market. So this road is called North Street. North Street, down. Where this road go terminate?
Go come out for some like by Tesamero Police Station.
Okay, this same road go come out from Tom Line, close to Tesamero Police Station. So even if they do this road, you can afford Tesamero Road, avoid Tesamero Road. You just drive and access anywhere where you want to go. So that are the need where our government will do all those roads so that go reduce traffic flow for our road. Now for Benin, one is 12 o'clock. You can't access any road because of hold up. Why is it like that? Because the roads are not motorable. We don't have enough road. The small road where it already choke up. So, and there are more vehicles on the road of Benin. And we have few roads, but we get road. But the road will not demonstrable, not many pass. So I want you to show now the four corners of the market, Mona Sian. These now, if they join us, you take it, you access Tumblr, close to Tesame Road, see the other part of the market. Down, you go down, Street. It's not motorable. You can see. During rainy season, here is no go area. What we risk can come here be say, now rainy season will day. Now because they draw attention of the state government. May it roll the machineries. Equipment make can come go, make currently work for it go. Especially this market now where they generate so much money. The state is making more, and the good make such area may they benefit from the taxes where they pay, as you will see. So it's just four corners, all the roads around the market, no one is motorable. And now on this way to Tesame Road, Tomline, on this side go jam Igodaro Street. From Igodaro take Evbareke Primary School, from there to Iyoba and others. Okay. Under Evbareke quarter, they call it Ogi Street. This road, once you cross this Evbareke road, on this side on Evbareke main road, this Ogi, now Ogi one enter so. Ogi leads to Iyoba Olua Primary School. Here na seat of money where they give us better revenue. When those state is declaring revenue, say we make enough revenue. Now part of the source be this. There are some of the area where they generate better revenue for the state. And the name of the road they call it Ogi Street, Evbareke quarters. So if you are joining on Ogi Street, we just want to draw attention of the state government. May they come to the aid of the people here. Because the level of flood here, once it starts to rain, all those places see vehicle here, no vehicle can actually park here. Of a truth, no vehicle will ever be parked here. And upon all this, the state they generate money, the local government they generate money. Although I know say some of those roads now local government road, but over time I see say we not really get local government for this society. So since state has taken taking over the revenues and other activities of local government, you understand, the state can also be bold enough to take the liability as well. So that's the reason why we are drawing attention of government to Ogi Street, Evbareke Market Road Street, and Igodaro and North Street. Those are so many adjoining roads. This one also lead to World 2, Igodaro 2. There are so many adjoining roads in this area. On this part, it can take you to Iyoba Primary, Olua Primary School, Iyoba Road. So when you take this road to that area, you can access to Selu Lagos Road. And it's also possible, if this road is done, say people will be want to access those areas instead of going through Tesame Road, they can easily just pass through this area, go access Iyoba or Selu without passing through Tesame Road. They will avoid Tesame Road. Oh, you're taking a risk from small. So they join our Ogi Street. All these roads are under Evbareke spare pass. And we are doing this because we need the best for our state, and we want to draw attention of the relevant authority to come to the aid of the people who are really residing in this area. Because those are not privileges, those are constitutional rights. Good roads, lights, water, education actually are basic rights of citizens. And that's why we remind them, say as they campaign at a point, they all promise they came to this area, come promise say they will fix those roads. All till now, the road they never fix them. The small rain we touched ground few days ago, now you see here right now. Few days ago, for over 3 days now, rain never fall. But you know the level of gully of erosion with the flow here. Since over 3 days ago, look at the water. You see full of those places. So they jump in the same Oge Street now and day. So they draw attention of government to rise up to their responsibility. I would like to take 1 or 2 other interview, but our people, only one person, I repeat, Naim volunteered to give interview. And that is one of those coward nature of our people. I know say they everywhere, but the level of decay in terms of expressing oneself, the way it be for this town, I've never seen it in another place. Other place I've been to, honestly. So this is the best I can take. Down to Yoba Road, to Olua Primary School, to Selu. Hold on, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your name, sir?
Sir Samuel, the president of Evbareke.
Okay. Evbareke MotorSpare. Sir, what thing carry us come? Naija was crew. What thing really carry us come? We say, we see say this market one of the biggest market in this part of the country. We find say all the road where around the market, no one demonstrable. But this rainy season, people feel the match and they go small. Now we say more come draw attention of the state government to the road. I'm gonna tell us the implication if they do the road and they not do one. May you analyze them to us.
The Edo Gov, I think when we entered office for December last year,
2022.
2021.
Okay.
We meet with Barrister, our secretary to the state government, Barrister Ogi. We write a letter to Ogi. Ogi says let us go that they will do the road that was last year March. To date, we are not seeing anybody till now. The road, all the road around the Evbareke is very, very bad. If you go to the front, you see everywhere is stone. We are the one that put that stone. Since we put that stone about 2 weeks now, it's breaking people a bottom plate every day. And last week, DVD and anybody promised us to do grading. We don't need grading. We need tying to the four corner of the market. PDP government is not favoring the market. We need our government excellency to help us for this market. We are paying tax every year to the state government. We are not owing. Only this 2023.
What will be the implication with the wahala wey this road dey cost una in terms of customer? It dey mean I get customer?
No. The surrounding is bad, and when the like Tesla Road last year, by government do our Tesla Road, and this
Yoba, yes,
that one assist us.
Even second west now, I don't do
from gate to Evbareke to UBA, it need to be tied with the Evbareke surrounding. The road will help the market to be booming.
We got us,
yes,
to remove the water.
Yes,
because now the water, now be like say be the problem.
If we start, we now enter this market.
Why we really come? We say not to hurt anybody, now to draw attention of government. And we go feel use and not chest now. We say some of the road will draw attention of the Edo Governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki. He don't react to so many of them so far so good. We draw attention of Second West. Even when they abandon and will continue to push, he do one. So we also feel, say, why we come here now to draw attention. We believe, say, he go do one once he see this video and he always they get on directly. So what do you want me the governor do for this community, Evbareke community?
Me type outside the whole surrounding.
Okay.
Lucky, we don't do this. That for you to tell them, this Evbareke rally.
Okay, half of it.
When Lucky was first time.
Yes. Which year was that, sir?
I think it was in 2003 and 2000.
Okay, not 99.
No. Lucky went out in 99.
Okay.
When he started, he promised us that he will do the road.
Yes.
He promised us that he will do the whole road, but at the long run, he stopped at that junction there. We show me the same promise us till today. Nobody has knew.
This administration still promised too.
Yes, through Ijoa.
Okay.
We met Ijoa. They will do let us write the four corner that two Ogie. Go meet Ijoa. So go write the name of the four corner of this market road.
Yes.
Write it to
the government. Yes.
Before we see the chief of staff say they will look into it and do the road for us. But come over here now. I'm not seeing anything.
Well, we have done our own. We're going to push it to the relevant authority. But me, I believe that if the governor forget watching this interview, he go do the needful. And I wan promise una too, not to hurt anybody like I talk, na to draw attention, because normally you wey get house, if you know na where you waka reach some certain place, they know. You know, talk of person wey dey give a whole state to. If you not draw your attention, you no fit know, because everybody wan talk wetin in 1 year, say everything do okay. But with this, we have been able to draw his attention to so many things, and we hope say the governor go do. Your name again, sir?
The president of this Evbareke MotorSpare.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.